Hi guys. Oo, pupus. Hey yo! Oh, Bryce, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Yeah, hey yo, when you boy, your bomb is fine. And you remember my cousin? Yeah. He's not gonna be in other videos though. Yeah, just go away, bro. Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna do another sturdy video. Oh, get out! Oh, the dog. The dog. What the dog doing here? Bro, I don't wanna come. I just wanna come, but freestyle, bro.
Sturdy, wag sa higaan.
Just go, you're so annoying. Bro! Actually, not.
Kasi mo yung dali yan.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? Get it! I'm naked! I'm naked, bro! I'm not naked! Concerned that
Yung shirt mo, patin mo na. Teka lang, pati ko lang, naglalaro ka. Wag mo na hubadin yan.
yeah, guys. Oh, you're naked! Bro, get the heck out! Joining live stream. This is not a live stream, bro.
Yapawan ko talaga ako.
Pa-post ko to sa YouTube. Weh, kaya mo ba?
Wait na.
Oh, syempre! Shampoo! Syempre! Syempre! Ay, shampoo! That's a brainwashed kid. And I said something. I said nothing. I said you're ugly. Hey! Wait.
Bakit yan? Matayap mo yan.
Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna take a picture.
Hindi yan.
Hi. Yeah, I always said hi. Don't naked. When you're drawing, you just say, just get out,
That
bro.
is ugly.
Bro, shut up. You can't even draw a single line.
They draw Singapore.
You're an idiot.
Why aren't you the...
I have a lighter here. Yeah, bye guys. That's only 2 minutes and 46 seconds or 40